Hello again, boys and girls. You see, we got something to fix today. This is my old electric screwdriver Einhell converted to lithium. It used to work great, but in the last time it's kind of noisy, annoying noisy. It's crazy noisy. I don't know, but I suspect something mechanically happened here, so got nothing to do but to open it up. What's happening in there? You see this guy? Also, let me show you. Let's see what's happening with my friend here. I'll take this first. And it's out. Is it? Of course. What's wrong? No more bulbs. Okay. Alright. So you see, this one it's pushed down and connecting the bulbs. Maybe I should have some LEDs instead of those bulbs. Much more powerful. I'll do that. After the sound, in my opinion, I believe it's something with the gears. Okay. Well, I believe I have to open these guys too. Almost there. Don't tell me that I have to. Do I have to open it? Oh man, it's a mess. Okay. I thought I can take out the head or the gear part of the things, but no. So we have to take everything apart. Alright. Come on, get out of here. What is this? What is keeping? Oh, maybe. Oh, I believe I don't remember exactly, but probably we have a screw here. So we have to take this out. Yeah, look there, people. So we need to take this out. And now we should be clear. So this is the lithium cell. Man, it's so noisy. Let me have this out. Evidently that goes to the bulbs. The motor seems fine. Oh, plastic, fantastic. Wow. What's that? Oh. But we also have some metal, which moves freely, by the way. Here we have some gears too. Probably the fat. I don't see any other reason for this to be so noisy. So this goes in there, engaging the support here. Okay, that's very clear. What is this? Something to keep this in place? No, this is for having the screws in. Okay. Let's have some new grease there. Do you think it matters which size it's up and which is down? Okay. So, of course, they are different. They are so different. I can see that already. This is perfect. This should go out. So we have two kind of. And what about this? No, it's this guy. Perfect. And now this goes back in here, and it's looking like that's it. Nothing more, nothing less, except more Vaseline, fat, call it. Okay, that's it. Better, of course it's better. Of course, so that was the problemos. Wow, what was that? What is that from? These two guys are coming from where? 1, 2. This is funny. Where should I put these guys? Let me rewind the tape. So it's looking like these guys are getting in there. Something like this. And now, okay, so probably that helps for keeping the things tied closer somehow. Okay. Well, in the meantime, a little bit of oil to the motor doesn't hurt. Oh yeah, get in. Perfect. Okay, let's hear it now. Wow. I believe those metal stuff, those two metal, they are making the noise. Do I need that? No. You'll say that I'm changing the project? Nah. Where are those losers? Here. Oh. Maybe like this. Much more plausible. But what's the reason for those guys to be there? No. Out. I don't see any reason for those guys. Oh yes, I believe they are blocking. Yeah, they are blocking this movement. Probably. Okay. To have a kind of manual grip. Yeah. I don't know. Well, I just let it be for now. Just like that. Let me see how it's behaving on oscillator. You know something, I believe I can have screws here. So this is an old screwdriver, long before LEDs. But I don't mind. Okay, so this is just for the lights, for the headlights. Okay, we are going to just stay there in place. Working. Oh yeah, of course. strong, much quieter, and I believe it's looking like it's moving fast. If you know what is this about, let me know. It will be really helpful for the future fixing. For now, I'm satisfied, and this guy can go farther to doing the job. Yeah, that's it. Working great. Better noise, much better noise, and I feel much better speed. We'll see about the grip, but I don't see any changings. And this is the charging port. Look there, it's charging properly. That's it for today. If it's not useful, at least I think, or I believe it's entertaining. Like always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button, please, and I'm waiting your comments. If you can tell me what are those little metal parts for, mystery. Thanks to my sponsors, Radu, Vlad, and Czech. And for you guys, until the next one, don't forget, have fun, see you, bye bye.